We must begin from the starting point so we can point to where it began. Yes. Coconut is the beginning, but it's also the end of a boring and flavorless Indomie. Once you have a matured and sweet coconut, you need the milk, but everything is not about the milk. We must say things that will lead us back to the milk.
It's Chitty in the kitchen. Niger, chef things. Cooking, clicking, licking, clicking, talking, thinking. From clicking the kitchen and kitchen to clicking. Fire they burn.
So I just want to break up the noodles. I'm not cooking it yet because it's still gonna be cooking for 5 minutes in coconut milk.
Chitty in the kitchen, fire they burn. Stirring up the magic from dusk till dawn. Jollof rice, egusi, pepper soup on the run with Chitty in the building. Cooking, learning, thinking, talking.
So you need a little milk here as a starter, just to grease your pan. Yes.
Cooking.
Then your noodles should follow, and whatever you have. Some for the color, some were spices, and some for the flavor. Then the coconut milk should follow. So we use some sliced onions, green peppers, spring onions, carrots, chili pepper for extra hotness, and the secret ingredients, of course, coconut milk. Cover it, uncover it. The coconut milk is enough to cook the noodles, leaving you with a greasy and flavorful noodle that is impossible to resist. Cover it, uncover it. So you think this is the end? It was the end of the cooking and the beginning of the eating. Thank you for watching, and whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe. We have so much in the bag, you don't want to miss it.